Hello, I'm Creepy Cat. Yes, I'm back. My voice. I had some sugar today, so I'm a little bit jittery. Cameraman, my face. There you go. Hold it right there. Perfect. What is this? Oh, book. I don't read freaking books. Who needs them? Hello. Arr. That was pretty good. Oh. As you see, I got in a fight yesterday. Got my god dang nails ripped out. Really hurt. Still does it ripping. Oh yeah, I could smell that camera. It's very good. Oh, sorry about that. I think I had a sugar crush now. I don't feel good. Oh god, I can feel that. Oh. What the hell was that? What are you doing, cameraman? Point towards him. Cameraman. Thank you very much. Wait, bring it back to me, now.
Jeez, sorry.
Shut up. I am the Lord. And I am awesome. So suck my ball. Literally. You know, kinda sorry. I have a little bit of a mouth today. Not very happy. Oh! Oh, yeah. That's good stuff. Oh, yeah. Alright.
Hey, Tiger.
I'm not Tiger, I'm the Lord. Did you do that? Did you do that? Cameraman. Bad. I'm running away now. Don't point at me.